bonjour tout le monde. Okay, so today we're gonna be making spaghetti bolognese. This is a very simple recipe, and how I would say how I usually do it, but I did do something a little bit different. So without further ado, let's get into this video, okay? It's cold season. It's cold season. Today's October 1st, which means you need to know the cold season recipes. So of course you're first going to start off with chopping some vegetables. I used onions, spring onions, carrots, garlic, and later on I also boiled some broccoli. As you can see, I'm just chopping and slicing up the vegetables, prepping them so that they're ready to put in the oil and fry. Next, you're going to use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. I chose vegetable oil because this is what I usually use when I'm making pasta. I chose the linguine and used the whole pack because I was making it for the whole family. Put it in the water and let it boil. I also added some salt and some seasoning to the pasta water. Moving back to the oil that I placed in the pasta deep dish pan, I went ahead and added the vegetables that I had chopped up to the pan and fried it with the oil. Next, we're moving on to seasoning, going with black pepper, salt, ginger, and I used a beef stock cube, but you can go in with any kind of seasoning you like. It's pasta, so do it your way. Now it's time to move on to the sauce, yeah. Okay, so you can see that there's two sauces. There's two because I already had half left from another pasta dish I had made earlier in the week. So I used the second half of that and poured in a new half. Yes, guys, I cheated. As you can see, it was time to add the mince to actually make this a bolognese, because what is a bolognese without the minced beef? Go ahead and add that into the sauce. Mix it up a little bit, place the lid on and leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes to really steam up. Halfway, I did add some mushrooms that I had boiled on the side on top, to really give the pasta that extra flavor and also to add some more nutrition, because mushrooms are very good for you. The pasta was done, the sauce was done, and it was time to plate it all up. And yes, I added garlic bread. And voila, that is your finished pasta dish served on a plate. And trust me, it was so good. And you know exactly what was in it, so you can make it yourself. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more recipes and drop some recommendations down in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you next time.